Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome to this presentation on artificial intelligence. Today we are talking about what is artificial intelligence and what are the different type of artificial intelligence and how it is impacting our current world. Okay, let's move on. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is nothing but it's a simulation of human intelligence in machines. Okay, that will work, that will execute human task. Okay. Goal of that artificial intelligence is like perform the task that typically required human intelligence. In simple word, we'll call it as artificial intelligence is nothing but it is part of or human work is replaced by that artificial intelligence. We can call it in that way. Okay. Type of artificial intelligence. We can categorize in three way, like narrow AI. It means which we will build the system for a specific task. For example, Sri in Apple phone and Alexa. It's that tools will will do the particular task. Mean, like if you want to open that media player or you want to play a specific song, then we can use that Siri app. That will recognize our voice and it will do that respective task. Okay, those kind of AI system we will call it as narrow AI. And then next one will be the general AI. It's a human level task. So like it's still in progress. It's not yet implemented. Still they're working on it. I mean, and then super intelligence. It's beyond the human intelligence. It's still in a theoretical way. It's not yet implemented. So still we have to explore more on it. So basically, AI is how it is working. AI, the core component will be the data. So it's a history of data which is required to system understand that the pattern and to execute that task or make the decisions. And it is a co- it's a combination of data and algorithms and computing power. The key techniques are machine learning and deep learning and NLP and computer visions. So we'll explore more on it, each and everything. Everything. The core component here is like data. Data means, as I explained, it's a history of data. The algorithm, we will, like we have multiple algorithm like NLP algorithm and ranking algorithm. Those algorithm will be will use the data, history of the data, and it will produce that result. And computing power, in the sense, to process that data, it's required more computing power, which is called computing power. So all together we will call it as a component. And then key techniques means what concept we are using to achieve that artificial intelligence. So the machine learning means which will use the history data and it will make the decisions. Okay. And the deep learning, will call it as the neural network. That again will, based on the different logic or different concept, it will make the decisions. Okay. And NLP again, one more more algorithm which will read the human normal text, and it will produce that, it will provide the context of what human is expecting. So for example, in our case, let's say, if I'm asking something from our from the data which I have it, so simply we cannot go on the for fire the queries. Before doing that, we will understand, means that NLP model will understand our human input, and it will convert into that understandable like back and understandable queries. So that is, we'll call it as NLP. And the computer vision, it's a kind of system capability, which will understand the image and videos. Benefits of AI. Why we need AI? It's efficiency. it will work efficiently compared to the human mistake we can avoid by using AI. And we can automate the repeated task, like in the basic task which we are doing in day-to-day activities. All those things we can replace with the AI, so that will do instead of human. Okay. And the data driven decision making, the decision will be made based on the history of the data. Pattern will be identified from the history data set, and it will make the decision based on that. And it will be available 24/7. The service will be available, and like it will handle the respective task. And also we have that the challenges in the AI, the data privacy is still its concern. So whenever we feed our data, personal data or the company data into that AI model, we don't know, when we are going with the cloud-based AI model, then it's a data security will be still in concern. And also when we are making bias in algorithms, when we are making decision based on the data, sometime that algorithm may not accurate. So that there will be the mistake will be there, that in that time without human knowledge it will be all the decision will be made wrong. So that is where that it will be there. So because of the AI, so still will get where human jobs will be reduced. And so those are the main challenges here. And conclusion, to wrap it up, AI is reshaping the industry and lives. And uh, learning AI is basic, is it's a critical nowadays, which is required everywhere. So and innovation will be defined by the AI and going forward. Okay. Thanks for attending this session.